Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to show you guys this bridesmaid makeup look using all Plume products, and I'm just so excited. And I'm going to show you guys what are my favorites, how you can use them and how you can achieve this beautiful glam look. I hope you guys will enjoy this video. Keep on watching. I'm going to start the look by prepping my skin really well. I just now washed my face with some face wash and my skin is feeling so dry. The main important thing when it comes to a good flawless base makeup is always prepping your skin. You need to moisturize your skin really well and you need to apply your primer. But I'm going to show you guys a product which is a 2-in-1. You get a moisturizer, also a primer. Moisturize your skin and along with that it will prime your skin for makeup as well. Talking about this product right over here. This is Plume's Silk Blur Moisturizing Primer. You guys are following me for a long time now. You guys may know how much I love this particular product. Especially during this summer season, we just cannot put thick layer of moisturizer and so many products to prep our skin for makeup. I think this product will do everything for you. It's super lightweight, so absorbing, and this is what my skin looks after applying it. You can see it is also giving me a beautiful glow, and I can just feel how my skin is just absorbing this lightweight moisturizing primer. I really think anyone can use this product. Any skin type person can use this particular product. It's made for every single person. So this is what my skin looks after applying the moisturizing primer. You can see my skin is hydrated and it is just ready for some makeup. So for my foundation, I'm gonna go with something full coverage and I'm gonna blend my foundation using Plume sponge. I'm gonna show you guys two different sponge that they have. This one is their microfiber sponge, which is their famous microfiber sponge. You can see this is so beautiful. I love using this to blend my foundation just because it does not soak up excess product. This particular one is just extremely soft. You can see how soft this is, and it is great for so many purposes. You can use this to blend your foundation, your concealer. You can also use this to blend your cream products, cream contour, cream blush, and this is just so cute at the same time, super soft, super gentle on your skin, and they work so well. I think Plume have so many professional products. Like even if you are a makeup artist, you want something professional, go and use Plume products. You are gonna love it, your clients are gonna love it, and it will blend your foundation so flawlessly. So here I have my foundation and I am going to use a microfiber sponge to blend it out well. Quantity of the foundation, and I used it on my entire face with just this sponge. This is how you can understand that it does not soak up a lot of product. You can easily use minimum amount of product for your entire face with this particular makeup sponge. And if you want a brush, you can also use this particular brush from Plume. Their P03 brush. It is a foundation brush and a very high quality brush. Blend out any light coverage foundation, maybe tinted moisturizer, or maybe any kind of light or medium coverage foundation. Definitely go with P03 from Plume. I use some concealer. For your concealer, you can use two products. You can use this particular brush to blend your concealer. Use this brush to blend your concealer. This is P20 from Plume. It fits perfectly under your eyes to blend your concealer. I love this brush so much, and the bristles are just perfect, so professional, high quality. And then you can again use a beauty sponge. If you want some natural looking concealing, then you can take this beauty sponge and blend out your concealer. It is just so easy to blend out with this particular sponge. I'll show you both ways how you can blend your concealer. First, I'm going to use the sponge to blend out this part of my face. See how easily you can blend it, and it just took me maybe a few seconds to blend the concealer. I'm going to take P20 to blend this side of my face. There you go. This is the difference. This is with P20 and this side with the makeup sponge. Now whenever it comes to any makeup look for any occasion, it's really important to set your makeup, especially during the summer season. Makeup is going to melt and it is going to look so bad. You will see texture, crease, and it will look very bad. Let's talk about how you can apply your powder well. So I'm gonna take my favorite brush from Plume. This is P23, which is the perfect brush to apply your powder. This is what the brush looks like, and as you guys can see the shape, it is perfect for your under eye area, for your nose area, anywhere you want. It just blends your powder with your base makeup so well. I take some loose powder, saturate my brush really well. You just gently set your face. Now I'm going to show you guys something different, which is ombre blush. You do not need to use any extra bronzer contour shade with this particular technique. Enhance your facial features. I'm going to show you guys how I do it. First you need to take a deeper shade. I'm taking this particular brush from Plume. This is perfect to blend your cream product. It's P04. I am going to take the deeper shade. I'm going to use it on the area where I usually contour. It just adds the perfect contrast on your face. Looks something like this. With this technique, you do not need to use any specific bronzer or contouring shade. You can just do a beautiful ombre blush look, and I think you're good to go. Taking a light shade, which is a light pink 108 from Plume. This beautiful pink nude shade on my brush. Here I have the product, and I'm gonna place the product on the center of my face. You can see how easily this blends on my skin. It just gives me that perfect flush of color. The method is really trending, and I want you guys to try it out once. It is super easy and it just looks so beautiful as well. My eyeshadow, I'm gonna take P09. This is a beautiful flat fluffy brush. You can see right over here. This is so high quality. I take the same shade 108 and apply it all over my eyelid. It all over my crease area. Then for the next brush, I'm going to take P07, which is a fluffy blending brush. This is my personal favorite eyeshadow blending brush. It's a beautiful deep plum shade called Happy Hour. With this particular brush, I have the color, and I will use it on the outer part of my eyes and also on the inner part of my eyes as well. What it looks like. Who needs eyeshadow when you can use long-lasting lipsticks to blend your eyeshadow? This product is very exciting because this is Plume's eyeliner, and I am just super excited to try out this product. Their Longwear Pro eyeliner, and this is the long-lasting eyeliner I have ever used in my life. This is waterproof, this is long-lasting, and this is not going to smudge anywhere. Especially if you're looking for a good eyeliner this summer, this wedding season, go for the Plume Longwear eyeliner. You will not regret. It is such a good eyeliner, and this is so easy to use as well. I'm going to show you guys the tip, which looks something like this. Tip is not very flimsy, not very stiff. The perfect amount you need. The tip is exactly like that. see how easily I can draw my eyeliner. Again, it is extremely pigmented, just one swipe application. You do not need to rub a particular area again and again with this eyeliner. It is just one swipe application. Loving this look. For my lips, I'm gonna use this beautiful red liquid lipstick from Plume. This is my favorite color, and this is in the shade Flirtist. These are very long lasting, smudge proof, transfer proof, and you can use and wear them for hours and hours. They are not gonna go anywhere. I'm gonna take the Plume Longwear eyeliner and draw a bindi, which looks so stunning. So this is my final bridesmaid makeup look. This is what it looks like. It is so simple, so elegant at the same time, and anyone can do it. I just changed the lip color. Maybe you can use Drama Mama from Plume again. It's a beautiful nude color. This is what it looks like. You can use this for your daytime look. For your nighttime, you can pair it up with this red shade, and I think you're good to go. This look is my favorite kind of a look. Guys, loved it as well. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Everything will be linked in the description box below. Make sure to check that out. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on my next video. Bye.